Welcome back to the channel. If you're into horror games with a thrilling atmosphere, stay tuned because I've got something exciting for you today. We're taking a look at the game that will keep you on the edge of your seat from start to finish. So, what's the deal with this game which is released in 2022? This is a survival horror game that puts you in the middle of a terrifying prison on Jupiter's moon, Callisto. You'll be battling your way through horrific creatures, using brutal combat skills to survive in an environment that feels as real as it gets. The tension is constant, the visuals are cinematic, and the storyline will pull you in. If you loved Dead Space, this game was made for you. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Regular price of this game is €60, but you can actually grab this game, called the Callisto Protocol right now, on the Epic Games Store. And well, let's just say it's a deal you don't want to pass up. Claiming the Callisto Protocol for free is super easy. Just head over to the Epic Games Store, search for the game, and hit the Get button. It's yours to keep forever, as long as you grab it before the deal expires, which is until August 29th. If you liked this update, please give this video a thumb up and consider to subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss next free game. Until next time, stay awesome, happy gaming, and I'll see you all.